Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with Mux Video UI onboarding assets detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Mux dashboard. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Assets section on the left sidebar. Click on Assets to open the Asset Management interface. Here, you'll find a list of all your uploaded videos. Select the video you wish to back up. Click on the video title to access the video details. In the Video Details view, locate the Backup option. Click on the Backup button to initiate the process. A dialog box will appear confirming your action. Review the backup settings, if applicable. Confirm by clicking on Proceed or Confirm Backup. The system will start the backup process. You may see a progress bar indicating the status of the backup. Once completed, you will receive a notification. Make sure to check your email for backup confirmation. To verify, return to the Assets section. Look for a tag or indicator showing the video is backed up. You can also access your backup settings from the Settings menu. From there, you can customize automatic backup options if desired. Ensure your backup configurations meet your requirements. That concludes the backup process using Mux Video UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.